Today you will learn how to make rounded rectangle in Adobe Illustrator. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Here you will have to find the rectangle tool. Right click and select rounded rectangle tool. Now left click and drag on the artboard. Here is the rounded rectangle with default roundness. You can drag these radius points to make the rectangle more rounded. If you want to make rectangle with fixed width, height and corner radius, then just left click once on the artboard. Rounded rectangle panel will appear. Enter the values and click OK. Here is another rounded rectangle according to values you have provided. As you can see, this rounded rectangle has more rounded corners than previous. If you want to change the roundness of this rectangle, then go to Window, Transform. This is the Transform panel. Here you can see the corner radius section. This is the current value of corner radius. If I enter the value of 0, corner radius will be removed. As you can see, this is a simple rectangle with no rounded corners. If I want to round only one corner, then I will unlink these corners by clicking here. Now, if I enter the value here, only this corner will have rounded corners. You can also change the corner type here. Here are the different types of corners you can use in your design. Let me select the default one. So this is a rectangle with one rounded corner. You can also round other corners with different values by using this method. One important thing to notice is, if you are using the Essentials workspace in Illustrator, then you will notice there is no rounded rectangle tool in Illustrator. In this case, you will have to draw a simple rectangle. Now drag these points to round the rectangle. So I hope you have learned how to make rounded rectangle in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.